and to the final day of a truly incredible week. Thank you. It is fantastic to see you all here with us today, especially our international guests during these challenging times. But before we begin, I must mention that the hostages held in Gaza are never far from our thoughts and prayers, and we all hope they will return home safely soon. We are so grateful for the resilience of our country and people. It is inspiring to see us come together against all odds to celebrate our nation's achievements. In this conference, for the first time ever, we combined Cyber Week with AI Week and Quantum Day, showcasing the incredible scope of Israeli innovation. I would like to give a special thank you to our amazing Girl Power Dream Team. The dedication and optimism brought us here today. Thank you, Karina and Louise. You are amazing. Thank you so much. And Ravital, of course. A big thank you to our partners, starting with the Israel Innovation Authority, Ziv Katzir, who are kicking the morning off with an inspiring panel. The Israel National Cyber Directorate, our true friends, who will be leading a discussion on ethics and data protection later. The Ministry of Economy and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and all our many partners. And of course, a huge thank you to our sponsors. We couldn't do it without you. Your contribution and support is appreciated this year more than ever. We are honored to have an inspiring lineup of speakers today, including two ministers. The Federal Minister of Education and Research of Germany, Bettina Stark-Watzinger, and Israel Minister of Innovation, Science and Technology, Gila Gamliel. Finally, I would like to thank everyone in the audience for joining us, especially those of you who traveled to be with us today. We see you as true friends and supporters in these challenging times. And now, let's get started. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you, Gili. Thank you, everybody who is joining us today during this difficult time. We are at a point in time where AI and innovation is perhaps the most powerful power, right, driving markets. And I'm really honored to be here with you today. My name is Dr. Amit Elazari. I'm the CEO and co-founder of a company called OpenPolicy. We ourselves use AI, and we use it to scale access to government affairs and policy. And one of the most interesting things that we are experiencing right now is this emergence of policy and budgets and government action around AI. And we know this is going to be a technology trajectory that is going to be shaped by policy. And the best way to stay ahead of what's coming is not just talk about the cutting edge technology, but also collaboration and innovation and everything that is coming in policy. And today, we are joined here by two honorable ministers, and we're really honored to have you here. So without further ado, I would like to introduce the Honorable Minister Gila Gamliel, Minister of Innovation, to the stage to share her opening remarks.
Minister Bettina Stark-Watzinger, Federal Minister of Education and Research of Germany. This year's conference is marked by the brutal attack on Israel on October 7th. That has since left 120 of our brothers and sisters in captivity by Hamas. Your arrival here to Israel this challenging time send a clear message of support, and that the free world must stand united against fanaticism and barbarism. For us, on behalf of the State of Israel, I thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is an honor to be here today at AI Week, one of the leading international conferences that focus on showcasing the forefront of AI research and applications. Today, I wish to emphasize the important geopolitical aspects of AI a field that is repeatedly shaping our world and future. We are living through an artificial intelligence revolution. You see, the minister, how great to be in Israel. We are a democratic state that everybody can say whatever we want anytime. This revolution is marked by intense competition among developed nations, each wanting to gain the most economic and social benefits from AI. The stakes are high because AI is not just another technological advancement. It is a revolution that enables breakthroughs in many areas of life. This competition is reflected in large financial investments and strategic government plans. Nations are racing to create and refine national and international regulation to harness AI's potential while managing its risks. Countries that effectively integrate AI into their economies and societies will reap substantial rewards, positioning themselves as global leaders. Israel has constantly ranked high among the world's top 10 AI countries. Our strengths are clear. We have high quality talent. Our research and development capabilities are at the top of the world, and our ability to turn academic knowledge into marketable products is unmatched, earning us the nickname Startup Nation. Israel's unique ability to foster connections between different sectors further amplifies our strengths. Recent comparative reports highlight our position as a strong force in AI innovation. Yet, we cannot afford to be satisfied. The global AI landscape is highly competitive, and to maintain our edge, we must continually push forward. Our national AI program is designed to ensure Israel leadership in AI for years to come. This comprehensive effort integrates the activities of various ministries and units, focusing on three critical areas: strategy, infrastructure, and an operational environment that support innovation. Our regulatory strategy, marked by responsible innovation, reflects our dedication to fostering a thriving AI ecosystem while safeguarding social values. On the operational front, we are accelerating AI integration within government to enhance services decision-making and efficiency. We have launched a historic project of AI implementation across various ministries to improve public sector performance. Furthermore, we also recognize the importance of municipalities and are considering steps to ensure AI integration at the municipal level, thus ensuring that no part of our society is left behind. Education and workforce development are also pivotal. We are developing new collaboration to inspire future talent and prepare for AI-driven changes in the job market. Alongside global competition, Israel also recognizes the need for cooperation among states to tackle and solve many of the challenges posed by advancement in AI. In recent years, Israel has joined various global initiatives and organizations to contribute to these efforts. The Ministry of Innovation, Science and Technology is proud to represent Israel in shaping the global agenda concerning AI. We believe that increased transparency and cooperation could mitigate the risks posed by potential rivalry among states. Ladies and gentlemen, AI is becoming a significant strategic asset for Israel and the whole world. We have witnessed remarkable AI developments that touch every aspect of life, from healthcare and education to national security and transportations. AI is optimizing processes and delivering unprecedented value. AI holds the promise of optimizing processes across all sectors, potentially boosting global GDP by 7%, equivalent to a 500 billion shekel increase for Israel by 2030. Achieving this potential depends on proactive action and strategic adoption of AI technologies. I can assure you that the Ministry of Innovation, Science and Technology, under my leadership, will continue to act to secure Israel's sustained leadership in AI. And I'm committed to ensuring that Israel's investment in AI will improve the well-being of our citizens and contribute to a better, more sustainable future for all. I wish to close my speech with a few words by Albert Einstein, which seem very relevant to us today. Concern for man himself and his fate must always constitute the chief objective of all technological endeavors. Indeed, and I believe that the way we operate in the face the upcoming revolution of AI must place the person in the center. And for exactly that, we are preparing this today. Thank you very much.